Hello everybody, Papa Boucher here. I kind of look like a Vulcan or something.
Live long and prosper.
With this get up on, but going to go for my ride today. It's about 62 degrees. It's about a 15-mile-an-hour wind, so I don't know how good that's going to go.
Wet and windy.
But going to go and get some riding in. How long I go will depend if I overdressed or if I underdressed.
I'm an Eskimo!
During this time of year, it's kind of hard to know because, the wind makes a big difference, and even 5 or 10 degrees really makes a big difference. So, alrighty, let's get going. There's where I'm starting, 350 at 6250 on there. So we're closing in on 7,000. For some reason, my thing turned over. Once it gets to where it'd be 7,000, I'm going to try to reset it and see if I can get it back to zero at least. But let's get going. Yeah, so far it feels pretty good out here. It's a little windy, but I'm not out of my driver yet, so we'll see how that goes. Got almost a half-mile long driveway to get out of. I live down in the valley, so it's hard to tell with wind. You get up top here sometime, and it's like, whoa. Oh, it's pretty windy out here.
It's too windy!
See a lot of trees that fell down from the tornado. I don't think I went this way through since the tornado. It's not that I can remember, because it's about 16 miles and wintertime is kind of cold. But I headed this way today and I just kept going. So we'll see how it turns out here. Maybe I'll regret it because I'm probably riding with the wind right now. Well, I am for sure riding with the wind now. I wonder if my dog will beat me today.
Look out!
Oh yes. Yeah, dog back there. When I first started riding this route, he'd come out, he'd bark at me, and he'd tight up my tires and all kinds of stuff.
Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away!
I finally started giving him a bone. He got used to me coming through there. I hadn't been through here in about probably 3 months or more, and he still remembered me. A crazy guy on the bike. But now I'm going with the wind, so it's feeling pretty good.
I'm sailing!
Going back the other way is going to be rough. But at least riding this way, I'm riding with the wind. Wasn't really planning on going on this route today. 6.2 miles so far. So, yeah, just like an old friend,
You're worth a lot to me, old friend.
Haven't been on a route for so long, and you go back, it's like seeing an old friend. Yeah. More trees down from the thing. Hey, doggy. Hey, puppy. Oh yeah. There's a little tin here and there. I like riding with wind. It's gonna be rough on the way there. And there's some more tree limbs that put in a pile for the county to come and pick up. I wonder if my dog will come out today. Nope. Nope. They remember me. Oh wow. There used to be a house there. House is gone. Back visiting my tree tunnel. No leaves yet on the trees, so it doesn't look much like a tunnel right now, but it will in a month. And if I remember, I'll stick a picture of that right here. Okay, I'm back in the tree tunnel again. Going the other way. Let's see how dark it is. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, I think. But no matter what time of day, almost, it's pretty much in the shade. But what it looks like when it's in its complete bloom. Really beautiful through here. And on hot days, it feels so nice. Yeah, that's a real good test of my eBay battery. Wind about 16, 18 miles an hour. And I went 12 miles so far. Hopefully I'll have enough to get home. Yeah, I got 2 bars left. Going to 1 bar. I hope I make it. It's a long way home from here. Well, I went back down to 4. Trying to conserve. I don't want to walk. Let's see how this goes. Well, I'm about 2 miles from home, so hopefully I won't run out. If I do, I'll be walking probably. Beat.
I can walk!
1 more hill. If I can get it up this hill, I think I can make it. I think I can make it. Oh, I have some range anxiety when it's windy like this. And so far this eBay battery's been holding up pretty good. Well, I'm home free. Still saying I have 2 bars, so this eBay battery's holding up really well. Yeah, there you go, 16.8. 16.8 miles and a 16 to 18 mile an hour wind. And I still had 2 bars when I got back, so I probably had nothing to worry about. I just know some of those other batteries, when they got down to 2 bars, sometimes they just go boom, and then you'd be out. You'd be walking or riding as hard as you could. So I'm glad I made it. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for watching, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.